So, hi guys and welcome back. So, I'm back with the D64-1, the 4-wheel drive truck with IFS, independent front suspension. And this one is a lot of fun. I really like this one. I made some snow tires or snow sleeves in TPU for it, since there's a lot of snow here right now. And these tires, they don't really provide a lot of traction, but these little sleeves do. And I've done some other upgrades to it, so I'm going to show you. And in this video we are going to do a body swap. Should be pretty straightforward. I prepped, cut some out of the body already, and yeah, then we're heading out in the snow and gonna have some fun. So as I mentioned, I've done some things to it already, but first I'm going to take this apart, which I did show you in the first video. It's quite easy. 6 screws and that little connector wire to the lights. And as you can see here, I've already upgraded the electronics carefully, and that is the res-free ESC motherboard, and it doesn't really fit like that, so instead I just tucked it away inside here of the body, which works. So, and for the sharp eye, you can see that I've done another upgrade as well. I've got the high-speed, high RPM motor from RBRC that Asia RC Depot is offering. Cheap upgrade. Had to widen the holes for the motor mount in the gearbox case. It didn't quite line up, but that's just a really minor modification. Easy enough to do. So to recap, high RPM motor, res-free, snow sleeves, and now we are going to use this body. And as you can see, I've already done some cutting, and this is just going to be tucked away in there, same way I did on the white pickup body. So I'm just going to hook up the lights. So let's see here. If I remember correctly. Like that. So a quick check here just to make sure that the lights work as they should. And so I was able to tuck away the EC in there quite nicely. And we'll see if I can fit this. So the servo is touching the EC right now. So I'm just going to leave it like that. I found a bit of thin plastic, some glue around the edges, and then this will press down up against it. And just like that, quick and easy body conversion, 4-wheel drive, res-free, high-speed motor. I'm going to try to be careful with that dry line. I won't use any 3S or something, but I think this will be rather quick and lots of traction in the snow. So this will be, it's going to be a lot of fun. Looks kind of cool, and you can see the wheelbase. Perfect lineup. So yeah, quick body conversion. Added some new upgrades, better electronics, snow sleeves, and we're ready for the snow. So it's snowing quite a lot today, but the snow tires seem to work pretty good. Whoop. So this actually works quite well. The body is heavy and the snow is kind of deep. Whoop. Leaves nice little tracks in the snow here. Let's see here. Turn down the throttle rate a little. No, I need to go in the high rate. Come on. No. The snow is no doubt it's too deep for this, but I just wanted to give it a try anyways. I'm going to head out to the road. So this is 4-wheel drive. It's cool. Whoa! No. Whoa! No! Ooh. Oh! The rock there. I forgot about that. Ice. Okay, so I'm out on the road here. Some cars has passed through here, made a little track. Yeah, this works good. Something, I think the tires are rubbing a little bit. So it's pretty cool. The more I drive it, the more I like it. So I'm back inside. Just a really quick run out in the snow. It started to snow like crazy, and yeah, this is a tiny little truck, so not really suitable for 10-15 centimeters of snow. So I'm going to drift a little inside with it, because these work all right as drift tires as well, because the TPU it doesn't provide a lot of grip on hard surfaces, so they will probably work decent as drift tires as well. Might be a bit noisy, but I think they will work for drifting. And yeah, it looks cool. This body is definitely a lot heavier than the stock one, so you could see that, and the deep snow, but it handled quite all right, even though it's not really made for that kind of environment. A lot of fun, and I think it will be a lot of fun to drift it as well. And the black motor and rest-free really gives it a lot of extra power, so I'm going to do some drifting in my hallway on my hardwood floors, and yeah, I hope you enjoy that as well.